Well, I walked around the corner, and I walked around the block, and I walked right into the donut shop, and I picked up.
Hey guys, it's me, Random Cat Thing here to make a very special announcement. And by the way, I'm not still using autotune. I don't know why I even brought that up. I just wanted to let you guys know. Just so you know. This is my natural voice. So anyway, over my nearly 5.5 years on YouTube.com as the channel Random Cat Thing, I have accumulated six subscribers. I used to have 5, and then I made this banger video that if you haven't watched yet, you need to watch it right now, or else something bad will happen. But I got 6 subscribers in that video, and this is just a dream come true. I never thought this would happen to me. I'm just so thankful to everyone. I'm so glad everyone has been enjoying my high quality Geometry Dash content. You know, as you can see, I really put a lot of effort and love and care into it. So I feel so appreciated. I'm still waiting on my play button to come in the mail, but I'm sure it will happen eventually. Anyway, that's enough from your favorite boy Random Cat Thing. It's time to get into the special.
Verizon's got a bonker deal on the new Samsung Galaxy S25.